Hey guys, Brett, Eikenbary Landscape Company, just wrapping up our install that we did. We started a couple days ago. The guys did a great job of getting everything planted for us. Chase and I just had to come back today and finish up with the mulch. So wanted to walk you guys through what Michelle, our designer, came up with. I think it turned out great. We've got some salvia and a blushing bride hydrangea, which Chase was really excited about because Thursday was our anniversary, our 10-year anniversary. So, but I thought that was a great spot for that hydrangea. Coming this way, we've got 3 Fire Chief arborvitaes, a couple boxwoods. This is a really nice balance of evergreen, along with some other stuff for some color. So as we get into fall and winter, we're already into fall, as you can tell by the leaves, but obviously as things start to die back, we're still going to have some things here with the boxwoods and the Fire Chief that are going to be looking good, so it won't look like the beds are empty. Moving along this way, on this side of the house, a couple Green Mountain boxwood, a couple more hydrangeas, and rounding the corner here, I don't know, the sun's weird, it's kind of my eyes, I'm squinting, but we have an Arctic Fire dogwood right here, and this will get a nice size and kind of fill this corner out. Really cool thing about these plants are in the winter time, you can see the twigs here, the stems, branches are red. They stay red throughout the winter, and even though the leaves drop, you have these kind of neat red leaves. And if you're in a zone that gets snow like we are, it looks really cool. Kind of the red pops up against the white snow. So that's it for this one.